Hi, my name is Jonas Simon. My race number is URK17 CS049. Now we are going to see the program which is based on the package from the abstract class. We are going to see some programs here. So here for the first program, here we are creating a class called book that is represented as a parent class. That class we are making it as abstract class book. In that we are giving string title and string author. And afterwards we are creating a constructor. Here we are giving string title and string author, and here we are in order to represent for each of the title we are giving this pointer to it. This dot title equal to title, this dot author is equal to author, and then we are displaying it abstract void display. And then afterwards we are giving class my book, which is extends the book, and in that we are giving the price here. And afterwards we are creating an argument for my book. We are giving string title and string author and int price, and we are giving a super keyword which is used to inherit from the parent class. That the properties which you are going to get from the parent class are the title and the author. And afterwards, in order to represent the price, we are giving this pointer here, and then we are displaying the title, the author, and the price of that particular book. And afterwards we are giving a main function here. It is represented as public class solution, and then we are creating a main function here. And afterwards we are creating a scanner title is equal to scanner dot next, author is equal to scanner dot next line, and price is equal to scanner dot next in, and then we are closing it. Then we are creating an object for the book in order to get the details of the title, author, and price of the book, and then we are displaying the program. Now we are going to see the output for the first program. So here it's processing its output. So this is the output of the first program. It shows the title and the author and its price of the book. It's given here. So this is the end of the first program. Now we are going to see the second program, which is in abstract class. Here it's given that if we give a input of a tale of two cities, means it want to give the sample output as the title is a tale of two cities. That's the output of the program. So now we are going to see the program here. Here we are giving the header file java space import space java.util.start. Then afterwards we are creating an abstract class book. Then we are giving a string title. Then afterwards we are giving abstract void set title. We are setting a title inside that argument string of s, and afterwards we are getting the title of the book, and then we are returning the title to the string because we are given a string here. Then afterwards we are giving a child class which includes class my book, which extends book, and afterwards we are setting the title void set title string of s. Then we are assuming title is equal to s. Then afterwards we are giving a main class here, public class main. Then we are giving public static void main string of arguments. Then afterwards we are giving a scanner file, scanner s is equal to new scanner system.in. Then afterwards we are giving a string title is equal to sc.next line. Then we are creating an object for my book new novel is equal to new my book. This is the object here. Likewise, then afterwards we are setting the title of the book. Then it want to show the output as the title is the new novel dot get title. Then it want to close the program sc dot close. We are closing the scanner file here. Now we are running the program for this second program. So it's processing the output here. Here it's showing the output for the second program. So now this is the end of the second program for the abstract class. Now we are going to see the program for our abstract class for the third experiment. Here we are giving the header file import space java.util.start. Then afterwards we are giving an interface keyword in interface space advanced arithmetic, and then we are giving int divisor of sum, and the bracket we are giving an argument int of n. Then we are giving class my calculator, which implements the properties because we are giving implements because we have given interface here. So we are using implement here. So likewise we are giving class my calculator implements advanced arithmetic. Then we are assuming int j is equal to 0, and then we are giving in the public int divisor sum of int n. then we are getting the value up to the n, which number of elements which is given here, and then we want to modulo n mod, if n modulo I is equal to 0 means the j is equal to j plus I, it want to add with I, then it want to return j value. Then we are giving a solution here. This solution, the calculator, we are creating an object here, and then we are printing here I implemented. Then afterwards we are giving implemented interfaces names my calculator. Then this is a keyword given for the implementation. Then we are giving a scanner file here. Then we are giving int n is equal to s dot next int. Then we are giving the, then here we are given to print the divisor of the sum of the elements given among the numbers. Then we are setting it static void implement interfaces object o, likewise we are giving. Then we are giving in an array of class of interfaces o dot get class and get interfaces, and then we are giving a for condition for int I is equal to 0, I less than the interfaces dot length. Then we are incrementing the I value. We are giving string interface name is equal to the interfaces of I dot get name. Then we are printing the interface name, that means we are printing the output value. This is the end of the abstract class program. Now we are going to see the output for it. Now it's processing here. Here this is the output here. Here we are given the input as 6, and my output is your output I implemented advanced arithmetic. That means I have already printed the advanced arithmetic there, so it's showing the advanced arithmetic, and it's showing the sum of the devices for the given number of elements. So this is the expected output here. So this is the end of the program for the abstract classes and interfaces. So thank you.